everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on the journey of Chandrayaan-3. Chandrayaan-3 is India's third mission to the moon. It was launched on July 14, 2023. The mission took off from Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Chandrayaan-3 has a lander named Vikram. Vikram successfully landed on the moon's south pole. The rover Pragyan explored the moon's surface. It found important elements like sulfur. The mission helps us learn more about the moon. Chandrayaan-3 made India proud. It inspires kids to dream of space exploration. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.